Hello, welcome to my portfolio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of my spreadsheet and how to use the inbuilt scripts in order to safely delete my personal data so that you can add your own. So the first thing you'll need to do is make a copy of it. And to do this, you need to navigate to this link at the top here. And by the way, those are capital O's, not zeros. So just type that in, hit return. And what it'll do is it'll load up a published version of the spreadsheet. So I can show you what it looks like just briefly here. Okay. For example, we have the overview page. Okay, it's just deciding not to load one. There we go. And rebalancing. Okay, so you've got all the different parts of the spreadsheet there, but you need to make a copy of it. And to do that, you need to go to the instructions tab and then click on download here. And what it'll do is it'll take you to Google Drive, where you'll see the file here, the latest file. So you just right click on it, and click on make a copy. Now the spreadsheet itself is very large, so firstly it will take a while, maybe nearly a minute, for it to make the copy, depending on your computer, I guess. And secondly, there's so many formula that are at work in the spreadsheet that it takes quite some time for them to all recalculate and settle down. So what I recommend you do, what I'm going to do while making this video, is just leave it for about, once you've clicked on create a copy, is just leave it for about 15 minutes. Leave the spreadsheet to run so that it can carry out all those calculations by itself in the background. So you can see it's here. So I'm going to put this video on pause, and then I'm going to come back in 10 minutes to show you what to do next. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I think it's time to open up our new copy. So we'll just double click and wait for it to load. Okay, so it takes a few seconds to load, and then you end up on the instructions page again. So this is a real copy of the spreadsheet now. And to see whether it's ready, we're going to click on Overview here. And we scroll down, we should have this yellow bar across the bottom. And that tells you that the spreadsheet has finished doing all of its calculations. And if you look up here in the top right-hand corner, there's no calculations bar running. So it's ready for us to run our macros. So the first one we're going to run is called Delete All Data 1. So click on Tools, Macros, and then Delete All Data 1. And it will say Running Script. And in a moment, it will give us a little dialog box. Will come up and ask us for authorization. You click Continue. And then your account that you're using. And then some security measures to get past it. It says that it's not a verified app, so that you need to click on this and hide advanced, and then go to portfolio scripts, which it says is unsafe, but it's not unsafe, and you can watch this video to see what it does. Click on allow, and then the scripts will run. Now this authorization here gives you the ability to run all of the deleting scripts, but it also enables things like these buttons over here. If you have a look, and over here, and on some other pages, which also automate hiding and showing rows and updating charts and things like that. So they have some, they are useful. So we just need to wait now for the script to run. And it will start to, it will first select all of these funds in the drop-down menus and delete them, like so, just as I said it. And then it's going to hide the rows. There it is. Delete the base currency that I chose, and then it will gradually cycle through some of the sheets and delete unused data. So we'll just watch in this video. I think we've got enough time to watch the first script play out, and then in this, I'll make one more video to show what the scripts 2, 3, and 4 do. Okay, so okay. Normally, if you see this in the sheet, that little warning about editing, it means don't do what you're about to do because you're changing a formula cell. That's about the limit of the protection that I can build in. But if you click on OK, it will still you can still make changes. Okay, so this is the rebalancing sheet, which tells you which funds to buy or sell to maintain your asset allocation. This is this sheet here, which it's whizzing through now, is an investment sheet. You can put in cash accounts and track cash in there, different savings accounts and various things like that. The charts and graphs page, which we're on now, this is basically disabled in the Lite version. You need to get the Pro version in order to activate the returns data that it shows. And that's the same case for this portfolio tab that it's currently erasing now. The data that's entered here also is used for generating returns information. Okay, and it says the script is finished running. It means it's finished running. Okay, so it's finished the script, and I'm going to stop this video now, and the next script I'm going to show you is going to be script number 2, and that 2, 3, and 4, I think, in the next video. Thanks.